My name is Tracy Womack, and I am so grateful to the Santa Barbara Education Foundation because I was able to get 2 different awards over the last 2 years to help build my coding and robotics class at Colina Junior High School. The reason that this is so cool is that there is no other place at the junior high level that kids are actually building robots. And not just one kind of robot. They're building M-bots, they're building rangers, and I had this crazy idea that junior high kids could fly drones if I could just get enough drones. And the Santa Barbara Education Foundation funded drones. And so when we're not in a pandemic and self-quarantining, I have more than 30 kids flying drones around the school. And it's exciting to watch because they're coding them to fly. You see, they're not just doing it like a remote control, they're coding them to do specific things. It's super exciting to watch 13 and 14-year-olds do this. And another thing that's been really exciting for me is that about 1/3 of my class is for students who are either language learners, or they're involved in the special education program, or they have 504 due to medical disability. And it's exciting to watch these kids also have access to something that they could actually use. So I could not be more grateful to the Santa Barbara Education Foundation, to its donors, to people who are thinking about creating a future where all kids can engage in tech and where all kids can touch tech and where all kids have access to tech. And that's been the best part about working with Santa Barbara Education Foundation, is that they're trying to get access to everybody. So thank you to the donors, thank you to Santa Barbara Education Foundation, and thank you for just making this possible for our kids.